Hi everyone. So in today's video, what we will be discussing is AZ-104 scenario-based questions. So AZ-104 is one of the most important certifications which is given to the people who are very good in Azure, who actually have knowledge about the services of Azure and how that needs to be administered. It's about the VMs, applications, how you can provision them, and so basically in exams, they are going to ask you so many questions which are not direct, but they are going to give you some scenarios where they are going to tell you some information about that this is the amount of VMs or suppose this is the amount of storage, and in that case you have to tell them that what can be done in those scenarios or which is the solution that can be used in that particular scenario. So we in the series we will be basically discussing about all those questions that what scenarios can be there or how many virtual machines should be there or what kind of storage you should use, what kind of infrastructure you should use. So let's jump over the first question that I'm going to show you here. The question is you have an Azure subscription now and then you have 100 Azure virtual machines. You need to quickly identify underutilized virtual machines that can have their service tier changed to a less expensive offering. Which specific tab should you use? So they are telling you that initially you had the one Azure subscription and you have in that particular subscription you have 100 Azure virtual machines. So what you are doing is you have to make sure that you are not paying for the underutilized virtual machine, which means that those virtual machines which are currently not in use, you are not going to pay for those virtual machines. So you want to use something so that your service tier can change to a less expensive offering. It means you want to minimize your cost. So in this case, what should be done? It is asking you. So which specific tab should you use? So there are different tabs in Azure or different services that Azure provides us when we want to transition to a less expensive offering, or suppose we want to make sure that our services that we are using currently should only use a specific cost or it should not reach above then a threshold. So in that case, to provide the right offering or a less expensive offering, the right answer will be B, which is advisor. So if I say other options, which is monitor, monitor is about only analyzing and giving you some dashboards and images, which is not gonna give you much knowledge about that, which is not related to cost. Metrics is again gonna show you the same knowledge, but in the terms of parameters that you are gonna provide. The D option is customer insights. So customer insights is about the insights. I mean, they it will be giving you some of the knowledge about the same thing based on the customer inputs. But the thing is that the question is saying that you want to go with the less expensive offering. So we have a feature in Azure which is called as advisor. What advisor does is advisor will be telling you that these are the instances which are currently not in use and you can just move, you can just terminate them, you can just stop those instances. So I will show you also on the Azure portal itself. So this is the Azure portal. Here you can see completely clearly that we have in Azure portal, if I go to home page, so in home page you can easily search for advisor. You can click here. So this is one of the services which is provided by the Azure, Microsoft Azure, and here you can go to the cost section and then you can see what are the recommendations it's gonna provide. So here you will be getting the total recommendation, the recommendations by impact and your impacted resources. So currently I have no instances, so it is not going to show me any kind of recommendations because I have no instances for any kind of services as of now. But in case you have a few of the resources which are currently not in use, Suppose you have one applications which is currently not in use, so it is going to give you that suggestion that your these amount of VMs and the storage is not in use. So as of now, you can just stop those instances. So this is how it's going to help you. So the right answer for you will be advisor. Yeah. Yeah, so this was all about the this scenario based question.